Welcome everyone to HueFin, also known as HueFin News. Today is October the 4th, 2020, and this particular video we are going to speak on Cardano, give you all an update as to what the trap has done since our last video, which was on October the 1st, 2020. So it's been 3 days since our last video was done in Cardano. So it's about time for us to give you all an update into the market for this currency. Now, before I do, if this is your first time watching our videos, you guys appreciate the forecast, the predictions, then hit the like button to share the video and subscribe to the channel. We are on other social media platforms, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, we're there as well. And then we have our own website. You can join us on our website, HueFinancial.com. It is free, and you guys will be able to see all of our other content that we have on that particular medium as well. So October the 1st was the last time we did our video in Cardano. You guys can see, being fully transparent, we expected Cardano to go higher in price, and the trap thought otherwise. It went lower. And as you can see, let me zoom in, let you guys see a little bit better, that the market in Cardano did not go the way we expected it to go. And it happens. Seemingly, when we did our video in Cardano on the 1st, we maintained our forecast that we had on the 28th. We were looking for the market in Cardano to go higher in price, and it did not happen. So what do you expect? 9.66% loss on that particular forecast. It happens, but you know what? You just move on and you learn, and you take those losses into the battle, but you come out overall winning the victory on your next one. So now let's go ahead and take this one out. 9.66% loss into the market, and we need to speak. Let's see whether or not the market in Cardano is really all that weak, because since our video on the 1st, the market has shown us some weakness. Now you can tell though, right there around 9 cents is where the trap came in and held up the market. That's very important. Now, even though, let me zoom out, because you can see that we're still, for the most part, in Cardano following an upward trend, but we're in a transitional period to where the market is just consolidating, and that consolidation range is between 10 cents all the way back down to 9. So there's 1 penny difference between support and restriction. The market doesn't look on a daily basis that weak. Okay, now when you look at the market on the weekly time frame, we had a fantastic week prior to the current week that we're on right now, and the market in Cardano is still holding 9 cents. So let me tell you, 9 cents is important. 9 cents has to hold support in order for us to see a continuation of movement higher in price in Cardano. Now, the strength that came in on the week of the 21st of September, we should have seen some follow through this week, and we're not getting it. So the bullishness that was really showing itself last week is definitely waning. It is losing its emphasis, because if the market really was that strong, we would definitely seen Cardano go higher from where we're at right now in the market on the weekly time frame. So take that into consideration. So let's take a look at the market real quick on the hourly time frame, and you can see here that even amongst the weakness, just like I told all of our viewers on our Bitcoin video, the market is being very reluctant into falling lower in price. It is very reluctant, and the reason being for Cardano is because 9 cents is crucial. It's because the market in Cardano doesn't want to go lower, and it's just that simple. If the market really was that weak, we would have been broken 9 cents to the downside already. The trap would have been broken that if the market truly was weak. Now, you might see a couple of videos in the market with Cardano showing this downtrend being in play, right? So either or, one of these ascending trends, descending trend, or even the ascending line that we see here, is going to win out. And the crossroad is right there around 10 cents to 9.5. Now, looking at the weekly time frame, the trend looks to, at least in Cardano, maintain consolidational trading. That's the best of what we're getting so far into the market in Cardano. But don't get it twisted, because we definitely are noticing the trap moving the market in Cardano lower. We cannot be oblivious to that notice, to that fact, is that Cardano is in a downtrend. The only way that the market will be broken out of this downtrend is once the market breaks 10 cents to the upside. That's the only way. And currently, the trap is trying to do that. But that doesn't mean he's going to be successful. Okay? That doesn't mean that he's going to win out and actually break Cardano above 10 cents. So, even though we're seeing the market strength in Cardano at this particular moment, we don't have too far to go before we'll see more weakness entering the market for this currency. And it's right there around 0.098 to around 10 cents. That's it. So what we're going to do on this forecast, since we have spoken some of the things that we're seeing from the trap perspective, is that we're going to continually play the strength into the market in Cardano. All right. But we're going to place a lot of emphasis on that restriction area of about 0.098 and 10 cents. That is going to be crucial and vital on our forecast. Those two areas are areas of restriction, and Cardano literally can neglect that and fail to break above it. So we need to TP the market in that particular vicinity for Cardano. Okay. So here we are. We're going to play some of the strength into the market in Cardano. 0.098, 10 cents, around that vicinity is where we'll TP the market. So it's about another 3.5% market move from where we're at currently in this space. But overall, that's it. If we get any strength that breaks price above 10 cents in Cardano, then the market is definitely in an uptrend. I'll be the first one to tell you that right now. But we don't see that guaranteed as of this particular moment. So we're just going to play a slight movement higher in price on our forecast. So now is your turn, is your opportunity. What do you see? Do you see a strong bullish market? Do you see the market in Cardano continuing on that descending line that I have drawn earlier? Let us know. What's your prediction, your forecast? And it's that simple. Now we just sit back, let the trap work, let him do his business, and we'll come back in and see how he performed against our prediction. Now, make sure you maintain a profitability, and as always, we'll talk.